Well, well. Look who's 30 minutes late again. Dude, you'd be late to your own funeral.
I'm sorry. The stupid truck's giving me trouble again.
I know. Look at that thing. Seriously, what happened?
It just died on me again, right on the side of the highway.
Bummer, dude. What's wrong with it?
You know, I don't even know. I've been so busy I haven't even looked at it yet. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to take it in someplace and get it repaired. What I'm really worried about is having to buy a new one, and I can't afford that right now. We've got bills and stuff to pay. All I know is I gotta be able to get to work.
Yeah, don't I know it. Well, I tell you what. I had some car trouble not too long ago, and my neighbor really helped me out. Gave me a card of a guy. See if I still have it. Might be able to help you out.
Interesting.
Look him up.
Bane's Repair Shop. Huh. Hey, did you take your car to a shop?
I never know if a shop's going to do the job right or not, so I like to do it myself. That way I know the job's bad.
I'm off tomorrow, so I'll give him a shot. Man, where is this place? Man, what am I doing? I should have just went with the mechanic that I know. Jeez. Which way am I supposed to turn? Oh, I guess right here. Oh, this can't be right. Where in the world am I? Oh, I guess this is it. Yep, this is it. Hello? Anybody here? Bane. Why are you here?